Nannyville is at it again. The man them start turn up back the war in Nannyville. And you know, when I hear this news today, I am like, what the hell is going on in Jamaica? It's like every section of the country is at war. Don't y'all see that Jamaica is out of control? Even from the rich people them, to the poorest of people them, to the bottom man them. Everybody in Jamaica is at war, you know. What is the end game? I am trying to figure out what is the end game with Jamaica. How long can we go on like this? Yo, we still in January. And listen to this.
The usually vibrant Nannyville community, tense Sunday afternoon. Police officers on alert. This is hours after a curfew was imposed in the community.
This is expected to continue to at least 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. We will be seeking to find some men who are said to be involved in these incidents within the community and outside of the community.
The curfew is in response to several shooting incidents in the community between Friday and Saturday night. In the first incident, the police say 26-year-old Raheem Panton, who is believed to be part of the Ashanti gang.
It's the beginning of the year. Today is February 1st. And you are telling me Jamaica have 65 murder. Now, this thing jump off in a Mountain View, Nannyville area. And what the Jamaica police them do, they run in with guns, put a curfew in, and say they're looking for wanted men. Now, do you really think if somebody is wanted, they're gonna be around there waiting for the police to curfew the area and come and get them? There is no way we're going into 2024 like this. Listen to this.
Was shot and killed by thugs from a rival gang. Then, in what the police described as a reprisal attack, 43-year-old Kimani Reese, otherwise called Itamar, was killed.
The police responded to both incidents in a significant way. And while we were there in the community seeking to bring about calm, they were viciously attacked by men as they tried to attack each other continuously. Police came under heavy gunfire, and in the process of this, one police constable was shot and injured, as also a member of the Nannyville community who is not seriously injured.
Commanding officer for the St. Andrew Central Police Division, SSP Marlon Nesbeth, says the police officer is in hospital in critical but...
You see them dirty gangster boy, one thing me no like, you know. Me personally, me no like people that terrorize them neighborhood. Now, one hour over in a Nannyville, tell me, and then the thing is, would probably make a simple disagreement spill over till man from that side are dead, man from that side are dead, and now it's a total revenge war. You don't even know why you guys are warring. It's the same thing right across the island of Jamaica. Listen, me personally, me sick, I'm tired of that. You understand? The police and the government, them really have to try a different approach in fighting crime. we have been saying this, and it's like everybody knows what's going on. That the police them corrupt, the government corrupt, the citizens them corrupt. Everybody know that, listen, every area you still have some Dan man in there and this and that. But I just can't understand why. Why is there such a killing culture, a need for blood in Jamaica? I'm trying to really figure this thing out. Is it the poverty? Is it just that people want blood? You understand? It just doesn't make sense. No, like, I mean, what I'm saying here is nothing new. The government, like me say, should take a El Salvador approach. But they come, they talk, they this, they that, and it's the same thing. It's a shame and disgrace. While I'm doing this video right now this morning, I looked and the US put out an advisory for Jamaica. It's crazy. How can a country grow like this in any form? You understand? And the people them in Jamaica, it just seems like they're oblivious to all of this.
Stable condition. In the meantime, he's urging residents with information to come forward as they seek to ensure calm in the community. As for what is driving the upsurge in violence in Nannyville,
while there was not much reported activities within Nannyville in recent weeks, police have always had to pay particular attention to that area based on the notoriety of the players involved in the gangs there, to the extent that we have had unreported case of shootings on several occasions, and importantly, these gang members operate significantly outside of that area, perpetrating very serious crimes.
Dwayne Anderson.
Well, me I go suggest a couple different things. Now, the Jamaica government, and this include the PNP them need to suspend the constitutional rights and arrest anybody who we deem is gang affiliate. We need to mash up the grave of the Dan them. You understand? Like Jim Brown, Waldy, you name it, all of them grave they need to mash up like what them do in El Salvador. We need to build some new prisons. We can hold 10,000 people, you understand, and infuse some serious education and job skills in the prison system. When the Constitution is suspended, all court proceeding is a private. You understand? Meaning that media and nobody can get information. The government needs to start with that kind of policing. I mean, it just take, all they have to do is copy what's going on in El Salvador. El Salvador is one of the top 3 safest country in the world. And 2 years ago, El Salvador was one of the worst murderous country in the world. Jamaica government, both PNP and GLP, really need to think this out. You understand? Because it's not only say get the criminals them and lock them up, it's also crime prevention. It's constitutional rights, meaning the police them should all wear body camera and record everything they do, because the reason is the Jamaican police is known to violate and kill people rights. So if we have an open transparency, that means everybody know what's going on. But for some reason, nothing like this is happening. It's the same thing over and over. You have the police coming in one area, terrorize one set of man, because one set of man have money and them a work with police. The next set of man now have no money, them now work with police. Police are coming, them a war. It's crazy. It's crazy. A whole shift. I'm not gonna spend the time and talk on some of the changes them that I think should be made, because I've said this many times. Suspend the Jamaican Constitution, and anybody who is deemed affiliated with gang, you get locked up, and we're gonna figure it out. There's many more things I want to say, but I'm gonna cut this video short. Frustrated. Yeah. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.